on as soon as we can. So we're going to start without her. The first thing we're going to talk about is just back in stock, and the price on this is going up at the end of the day. This is the Temp-tations classic 12-inch deep skillet with a glass lid. We've sold over 46,000 of these, and these are actually a kind of a combination item for your countertop. So they can be your skillet or your roaster. Also, a beautiful buffet server if you want to take it right to the place where you're having your meal. These can also be a Dutch oven or a slow cooker, and all in one. So let's go through our color choices, which are down here in the front. So right here we have your polka dot in taupe. And then we also have, going across the top row, we have your confetti. And then we have your gray. And that's in that combination of old world and floral lace. Then right below at that end of the table, we have it for you in the red. Then we have it for you in your classic green. Here is your chocolate. Is that black? Yes, that's the black one, sorry. And then we also have it for you in blue right here. So choose the one that you'd like. They all come with a beautiful cook and look lid, that floral handle on the top. And these are a countertop appliance, an electric appliance. So you're going to have a measurement on this of about 16 by 16 round. You get a over 3-foot cord, which is great, so you don't have to have it right next to the outlet. And this is going to give you a 5-quart capacity. So let's take a look at some of the things we have going here. It's a beautiful nonstick in this pan. Let's take a look over here. So we've put our steaks in. Might be a little early to flip them. Let's see here. Well, maybe not. You've got a nice little sear going on that one. So again, you can get this started if you're going to be doing like a stew or something in here. This is great to brown your meat in first before you add the other ingredients. And Tara's here, so I'm going to skip over to the beautiful palm pattern, which is limited, and go through a little tour of the fresh, clean pot. Hi, Tara Tesher. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, Sunshine.
Hi,
Good
honey.
to see you. I love what you were saying about doodle-doo dinnerware and, of course, our Lazy Susan. But this piece, this is our secret weapon because this replaces our deep fryer. This replaces, of course, our slow cooker. It's a stovetop oven, which is fantastic. And you were just showing, of course, your steaks there. I'm going to take my little doodle-doo espresso cups that are available online, and I'm going to pour in 2 of my eggs because this is what I love about this set. Is that, again, low, medium, and high, and you literally don't have to turn on your oven, and it replaces like 6 or 7 different appliances in your kitchen. This is why this is a must-have.
So tell me about this new palm pattern, my friend, and these polka dots. I haven't seen either one of these before, and they're both pretty limited. This is gorgeous.
Yeah, so we debuted the palm this time last year, and you loved it. So we brought it back in some key pieces. So it just has that beautiful kind of palm coastal feeling that you can obviously use all year round. You have that non-stick interior that you're showing there, which is fantastic. And you have that cook and look lid, which makes everything just so much easier when you're cooking inside there that you can do that. And then, of course...
And it's a 5-quart capacity, right? Sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
And I just wanted to show the beautiful little figural handle of the flower that you've done on the lid. So this is a really good-looking pan. And, you know, Tara, it also can become an extra burner if you are limited in stovetop space. You know, this doesn't take up space on your stove, but can do all the things that you would do with your regular pots and pans.
You're absolutely right. And that nonstick interior, here's the smart behind it. Really close, I have here the probe. Now, what's great about that probe is that you have a low, a medium, and a high. And when you go to that low, you're at about 200 degrees. When you go to that medium, you're at about 300 degrees. When you go to that high, you're at about 450, which is why you can use this as a deep fryer. We also included 5 great recipes.
Awesome.
So that maybe there's things you haven't thought of before.
Right. Let me show those real quick. So you've got one for desserts, meats, poultry, another for dessert, and an appetizer recipe here. Ooh, coconut shrimp.
My mom
sold. And look, there's pictures on the back. So some of Tara's favorites right here. I know your mom inspires so much of what you do. I love that.
Yes, she does.
Let me show some other things that our food stylists have done for us up here. So here's a huge serving of mac and cheese for a crowd, which is great. And I like this can also keep things warm, right, Tara? If everybody's not eating at the same time.
That's right. That's that low feature where it keeps it at about 200 degrees, which is fantastic.
I think that's kind of what we're doing with our bubbly chili. Oh, look, somebody did some cornbread bowls. Let's just fill those up. This smells delicious. I wish I could eat some for breakfast. And then we can also do things like meatballs, you know, just they could be the appetizer meatballs, you know, that you do with the little grape jelly, or meatballs here for your pasta. Look at this huge amount. You can fit into 5 quarts, which is great. I love that.
Yeah, we actually gave you a Swedish meatball recipe, which is fantastic. It's a family favorite of mine that we always make around the holidays. And then, of course, I love it for desserts, too.
Yes,
look at that bubbling all the way around and nothing sticking.
Yep, see?
You know what else this is, Carolyn? This is a buffet server. You can disconnect that probe and these cool touch handles on the side. Like, look how hot that is. Now touch the side handle and let everybody know, you know, you can actually take this on the go and not have to worry about feeling any heat.
So, yeah, touching right here, not hot, not even warm. So it doesn't transfer any heat at all. But staying bubbly and, you know, hot or warm, whatever you'd like it to do for your crowd when, again, they're not all eating all at once. I love, by the way, these little spoon rests in the lemon pattern, which are available. So let's look at colors again. More of these just back in stock, and the price goes up at the end of the day. So up here on top, we have that limited palm, if you'd like that one. Super fresh for spring and summer, and only 500 of that one left. Then we have the Polka Dot Taupe, which is a super neutral, and we'll mix and match with all of what you've got going on. I love that with just some beautiful white dishes. That is so pretty. Then down here we have your combination of Floral Lace and Old World in the blue, the black. My favorite, you know, Tara, is the confetti.
Mine too.
Then we have the green, and guess what's the most popular in this show? The gray. Everyone's loving that. And then the red down there on the end. Don't forget, your payments on this are just $6. And that 5 Easy Pays goes away at the end of the day. So stay in the ordering process. If you're just waking up and tuning in and having your coffee, we've got a whole hour with Tara Tescher and Temp-tations happening right now. So stick around, and remember, don't dilly-dally on the doodle-doo dinnerware, which is launching in this show and coming up